Hey, good morning, everyone. Lion Dave here. So, whew. Anywho, I deleted my last video and a few tweets regarding this, I guess, real estate agent, but it was a channel on real estate. Someone local to my area, so I figured, why not? I'll say a few things and I don't know. Was really just blown off. My questions were, I don't know. I guess maybe treated as spam. But look, that's your loss. What was it? My question is, where do you see the vacation rental property market going, like a 12 to 18 month outlook, as well as on interest rates? So, bonds have only been in a 40-year bull market. I mean, really? How long is that going to keep going with basically negative interest rates? So as far as the inverse yield curve is concerned, or is concerning, I question the market values of property. Anyway. It is rather funny that the title of this person's video was Finding Another Real Estate Agent. Wow, how fitting. But no, my other concerns were, I don't know. For anyone who's been in crypto for a while, look, cheers, guys. But there definitely is a bias from other markets. I don't know, maybe this person, bought high and sold low. They don't understand the concept of it's an investment, leave it alone for 5 years and then look at it. So, or don't touch it, and don't trade every little candle on the thing. Oh my goodness. And then your emotions get you into a wreck. Why do that to yourself? But no, some of my questions are absolutely concerns for those of us who have been in crypto for a while. I mean, you got Uncle Sam and Aunt Iris, so the IRS, wanting every little bit of information on us, some of which I understand. The rest of it seems like overreach. Meanwhile, you got like Reverend Al Sharpton, who owes like $5 million in back taxes. Why not go after him? You want me? The blind cookie boy. Wow. So yeah, these are concerns I have, are like other countries who are crypto friendly, say Puerto Rico, where you can remain a United States citizen under Article 22. You live there for 6 months and you pay 0 in capital gains. Article 20, 20 is for business, which total separate venture, but an idea. I just, I mean, look, I understand. I didn't like lay this all on this person all in one freaking shot, in their YouTube channel. But it's like the questions didn't resonate at all. It's just like, oh yeah, well, that's just the way markets work. The interest rates go up and the property value goes down. No shit. Wow. Thanks. Anyway. I guess we're just fucking different. I just, I don't know. I was floored. It was as though, your money's no good here. Not that, anything you want is for free. It's just that, it's more along the lines of, what do you mean, you people? That it was something like that. That's what it felt like. So, reminded of all of these different so-called financial experts of years ago who used to laugh at us for buying Bitcoin at $200, and now look at the price. What is it? 34,000 what? Wow. Really? Keep denying it. Keep denying it. One day I'll sell it to you for the right price. Tried to tell you, but you didn't want to hurt me. Now you hurt me. But no, some other things, I've mentioned to other people who understand my concern, because it is legitimate, is that being on SSDI or any branch of Social Security and on Medicare, that's concerning to me to take profit and to lose it. That's why I didn't do it in 2017. I formed a trust to do that. But I also know in the real estate market, they frown upon and will back out of a deal when you try to do like the multiple LLCs. Like if you form an LLC, say in Wyoming, and then you form an LLC in or two other LLCs in different areas, the real estate market does not like that. My mother was vice president of the largest property and casualty insurance company in the Southeast. So I know from having my trust listed as the owner of my property, let me tell you this, good luck getting insurance of any kind. It's very difficult, and then they want a 5x the price. So, but with the LLC stuff, they'll kick it out on you. Not the insurance. They'll actually kick out the loan or whatever else that you want to hold. It's just a means, a way to protect yourself, a way to protect the assets that you own from a frivolous lawsuit who is aimed at the high net worth individuals. So, because let's say you're in a car accident. Well, you know what? We ain't going after your insurance. We're going after everything you own. You're a high net worth individual. And then they'll want to settle for a lot less and this and that. So it's easier and better to do the multiple LLCs in order to then protect the assets that you own. Sad, but it's true. Fucking ambulance chasers out there. I don't know. I would just think with so many attorneys out there that they would look and derive something different, uh, different amendments or something, not just, preying on everyone. I mean, that's just, what's the difference between an attorney and a catfish? None. They're both bottom feeding scavengers. So, anyway, got a lot of friends who are attorneys. My uncle's an attorney. Dad went to Loyola. So, anyway. Me? I don't know. I guess I was the wild one in the family who went off to college to go party, but nonetheless was the only damn one to end up with a degree. Not in the family, but out of the bunch that I went to college with, I was the only one who ended up with a degree, and Phi Theta Kappa nonetheless. So National Honor Society. But you know what? I'm just a blind cookie boy. What do I know? There is a way. There is a way. And I will find it. Some things I've already found. But no. This just really, I guess, pissed me off more than anything with the... It was just like back in the old days where you know you're right. You know you're correct. You're explaining different protocols of what this does of cryptocurrency. And, everything that I've thrown at it, I've yet to find a flaw. I've yet to find a flaw. So, and it was this same mentality that I was met with. It is, ha ha ha, Bitcoin. Yeah, right. Funny internet money for the kids living in the basement. Right. Right. That's why, it's $34,000. Probably more than the worth of your car. Right. Or, being of that mindset, it is probably more than the equity in your home. Because that mentality, they just see property, mortgages, and whatnot. It's just crazy. They have more the Carlton Sheets approach to rental property, and I completely disagree. You should never harvest your equity. It's not there to just... I mean, what are you going to do? Who's going to hold the bill at the end of the day? You just going to go bankrupt? Yeah. Those people will never own a damn thing. They will never own a house. They will always keep getting additional loans on the property. But I'm probably getting far off into the weeds. I haven't tested my blood sugar yet. I crashed and I just ate a blueberry muffin and a glass of milk. Now I'm sipping on coffee. Sipping on coffee. I hadn't even looked at the market yet this morning. And that's another reason why I deleted my previous video. I said too much. I said a dollar figure, and I shouldn't have. Of just one asset, nonetheless. But I don't want that out there. And look, as far as cryptocurrency, I don't keep the shit in the house, okay? So practice safe crypto. So, I don't walk around with that kind of, with funds like that on my cell phone. I mean, look, if I'm going out of town or something, I will put like 1,000 or 2,000 worth of crypto on my cell phone, and then I'll go to an event. Yeah. But I don't walk around with any amount of value on my cell phone. For the exact same reason, I don't keep stuff in the house. I've got seed phrases all over the place for that exact reason. There's a sequence of events that must happen, and without one part of it, you get nothing. So, anyway. Oh, that felt good. Ooh. So, anyway, there's still bias out there against crypto from many other markets. So I guess they bought high and sold low instead of buy low, sell high. I guess it's just their emotions got the best of them. So no hard feelings, it's just business. That's all. But, just a little note, if you're in real estate and anyone ever mentions to you they're considering taking profit from cryptocurrency to move funds into another asset, such as real estate, like rental property, maybe listen next time. Anyway, y'all be cool. My phone's dying. Later. I think I got it. Did I?